Had Joe Heineching van Taumek Clicketer Balkosh and a Halpa, Jamie Lee Napier, Call of the Hibernian, Mastudi Corum, he is like Jace.
Before Hibs, I was at Celtic for 10 years, and I think making that decision to move to the Edinburgh side was probably the best decision I've made. I think that's what's kind of set me on my path and has helped me then go on to sign my professional contract. I think at the time, Hibs had a lot of players who were in the national setup, the likes of Kirsty Smith, Lizzie Arnott. So I wanted to test myself against these players, and I wanted to be in a group who wanted to win trophies, play in the Champions League. So I think moving to Hibs, it was only going to better me, and I think I've learned so much from being there, and I've got so many amazing memories being at the club, and I think I will always kind of look at Hibs and think of it as home, and I've got so many friendships there still with everyone, and I keep in touch. So yeah, I really enjoyed my time at Hibs, and yeah, I think I'm happy to see that they're doing well this season, and I always kind of keep up to date with how the girls are getting on. So yeah, my time at Hibs was really good.
Glúis an Clicketer Comasach go Chelsea, agus hook sin Corum ye Iwnsachach, vo Sar Clicketerin.
I actually remember the call of my agent when he phoned me saying that Chelsea were interested. I kind of was so shocked, and I was so excited, and I had so many questions, but I couldn't quite get the words out because I was just such in shock. But I was just so excited to. It's always been a dream to sign a professional contract, but I think signing my first professional contract for such a big club like Chelsea was just a dream come true, and such a proud moment for me and my family. I enjoyed my time there so much. I think moving from Scotland to England, it's such a big jump, but the girls at Chelsea and the staff made me feel so welcome straight away, and I think training and playing week in, week out with the best players in the world only developed me as a player and as a person, and I gained so much experience in my time being there, and I learned so much both on and off the pitch.
Hook Jamie Shakat season ideas at Call of the Birmingham City, para do the Eulas, Aid, agus Fara Farke.
I think joining Birmingham loan was probably the best thing for me at the time. I think to gain valuable playing time and experience in the WSL, so I could challenge myself against some of the best players and the best teams. So I think joining Birmingham was pivotal for me. And I think the group that we had at Birmingham was such a tight-knit group, and I think that showed with the performances that we were able to grind out, and I really enjoyed my time there. I think on and off the pitch, I learned a lot as well, and yeah, just the group we had, it was just such a tight-knit group, and it just felt like a really like family team, so you just wanted to just do so well for each other. And yeah, I think being out on loan, I needed to look at it in a positive sense, because I was gaining such valuable experience playing in that league.
In this Call of the London City Lionesses had Jamie a Dachas Clicker Barach at Clubber, I could build a Hoonshorse at Amazon Eich Gehain.
I was actually really excited to join London City, because I think before I made the decision to move here, I spoke a lot to Mel, the coach, and some of the other players, and I think speaking to them and seeing what their values was and what their goals for the season and the future were, I think they were very similar to my own. So I think that was like a huge thing for me, and to see the direction that the club was going in was really exciting and something I wanted to be a part of. And also as well, I wanted to get my confidence back playing and hopefully take my game to the next level. And I think Mel was really good in that. When I spoke to her, she wanted to get the best out of me, and she said that she would help me get to where I want to be, and I think that was massive for me as well. And that's one of the reasons why I joined here. And the group of girls they're great, and the championship it's so exciting. You don't know week in, week out, the results can go either way. It's just so competitive, and it's something I wanted to challenge myself in.
Had Jamie and Dachas artige go choshing and tazense, is he kucha giri archer that should skip a nashente ainge the ist.
I think for me, my personal ambitions is to obviously get back playing in the WSL. And another big thing for me is to hopefully play for my national team one day. I think I've played for under 15s through to under 19s, and playing for your country, there's nothing better. So I think hopefully if I just keep working hard, improving week in, week out, and performing well for a club, hopefully one day that I will be able to get that call up to my national team squad. So that's probably one of my biggest goals, really.
Ashtewigi imishna kahiga a lorach a dish, ha Jamie a cart the dirt. Agus Ayerson took a lot of this na hayat Collinach, a show.
I think my journey has had lots of ups and downs, and I think that is what football's all about, and it's something that I've came to understand more as I've gotten older. Football's not just going to go in a clear direction. You're going to face some bumps in the road, and I think for me personally, I think my football journey's been good. I think playing for Hibs, winning trophies and stuff, that gave me that motivation to go on and want to do more, want to achieve more. And I think signing for Chelsea was just an amazing experience and like a real privilege and honour. And I think now I'm back to playing my best football that I used to play. Being at London City, I think I've got that confidence back. So I'm just grateful for all the experience I've had at various clubs. And I think moving forward, I think all these different experiences have helped me, and hopefully if I just keep working hard, I'll then get to where I want to be.